What's up, everybody? Sensei here. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm all about saving money, and if I can pass that on to somebody else, I'm going to do so, especially in this EUC life. Save that money. You can use it to get you a new wheel or get you some gear. So I came up with a really cool idea that I want to share with y'all. Let's get this project underway. Okay, I got a bag of goodies, and this is what you're going to need. Spray paint, some gloves, a rag, sandpaper, and this is a container that whiskey was in, and or wine I think comes in these things. I found this a while back and I thought it would be cool to hold on to it. Now what you're going to do, I pre-sanded this so you guys didn't have to see that, and after you sand it, you want to take and wipe it down, and then you apply the spray paint color of your choice. Now it doesn't matter what color, use whatever you want, or you could leave it plain. Okay, so you just paint this thing up, put a few coats on. You want to wait at least 10 to 15 minutes in between each coat. And I'm just doing like a quick job here. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect, but again, this was a old discarded, I think, like again, whiskey or wine comes in these things, and I had found that and held on to it, and look, man, I made a great stand for my M10 III. Now I'm pretty sure that this will work on other ones as well. Like I said, I'm new to the EUC world, so I have to learn the different measurements. But anyway, it works great with the M10 III, and I'm sure it will work with other EUCs as well. Thank you so much for watching. Hello, good night.